The Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, an august institution under the Sangeet Natak Academy, which has trained hundreds of talented dancers, dhol players, and other performers of Manipur, who have thereafter gone ahead to win prestigious laurels, celebrated its 60th year Golden Jubilee from the 1st to the 4th of April. Gracing the occasion as chief guest, Governor Shri V.K. Duggal lit the ceremonial lamp and talked about the great contributions of Manipuri dance to Indian culture. The Honorable Governor gave away gold medals to eminent artists of the state. Padma Vibhushan Guru Singhajit Singh and Youth Folios member young Sangeeta Thokchum were among the artists honored with gold medals. Sangeeta performed as Krishna from Manipur's famous Ras Leela dance on the occasion. Her performance was much appreciated.
I feel great and happy too, achieving such award in one time during the celebration of the Diamond Jubilee of Jain Academy. And further and continually, I'm attempting to get more and more award in my life so that I can be much and more popular in my life also. And it will be a chance to expose our culture, tradition, dance to whole the world.
Other solo performers included K. Monica, who gave a brilliant traditional Manipuri dance, K. H. Bimolata, and Janeshwar Sharma, who danced with cymbals. The celebrations included many group performances, including Peena playing by elderly male artists, the energetic dhol cholom by young men who never fail to draw admiration with their feet. An all-women Thangta show wherein the young girls showed that they are in no way inferior to men even in sword fight. The peaceful Sankirtana, whose white dresses bring peace to the minds. Dances of the Kabui community, Mao dance with beautiful headgears, and Kuki dance, to mention a few. These beautiful dances, which are performed by the talented dancers of the state, a majority of who are trained in JNMDA, go a long way to preserve and propagate Manipuri culture.
To preserve the tradition of Manipur and as well as to propagate the Manipuri dance and music throughout the universe.
Dholi Bihu, Assam's most joyous festival, brings out men and women of all ages out on the streets to dance, sing, play dhol and other traditional instruments. In a bid to ensure that this joie de vivre of the public does not dim ever, the Northeast Zone Cultural Centre and Sanskritik Mancha Assam organized a 10-day-long Bihu workshop from the 21st to the 31st of March at Shilpagram, Guwahati, wherein little children and youngsters were taught correct steps and postures of Bihu dancing, along with Bihu songs and Bihu dhol beating by experts. The workshop has become an annual pre-Bihu event since 2010 and, as every year, drew in over 300 enthusiastic potential dancers and many dhol beaters, including girls who made the entire venue reverberate with their rhythmic beats. The aim of the workshop was to propagate the culture of Bihu, which is an integral part of Assam, to the next generation. Interestingly, apart from Assamese children, the workshop drew in many students from Kolkata and other parts of the country, showing the secular harmony in India once again. The happy organizers took the opportunity to raise cudgels against bunds and blockades as well.
भी असम में ये है कि आज आप सुनेंगे, आज इस साइड में बंद, कल उस साइड में बंद, परसों उस साइड में बंद। असम में हर दिन कहीं ना कहीं बंद होता है, कोई ना कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देता है जिसको हम पहचानते भी नहीं, नाम सुना भी नहीं, दे देते हैं। और आजकल क्या होता है, बंद होने से वो रास्ते में आ जाते हैं 2-4 आदमी, रास्ता ब्लॉक कर देता है। तो अभी बिहू सीजन में ऐसा होता है, लोग इधर से उधर घूमते हैं, हम लोग घूमते हैं। मैं प्रोग्राम करने के लिए यहाँ से गुवाहाटी से मैं जाऊँगा या धुबरी तक या गुवाहाटी से सदिया तक जाऊँगा, लेकिन बीच में रास्ता बंद हो जाएगा। अभी ये बंद क्यों, कैसे करा?
यहाँ पे हम लोग जो बिहू नृत्य है उसको हम परफेक्टली कैसे सिखा सकते हैं। जो भंगिमा बोलते हैं, मुद्रास, जो असमीज बिहू डांस में मुद्रा नहीं बोलते हैं, भंगिमा बोलते हैं, तो उस भंगिमा को कैसे हम क्लियरली हम लोग सिखा सकते हैं परफेक्ट पोस्चर में, वो हम सिखाते हैं। प्लस जो नाम बोलते हैं, बिहू नाम, जो बिहू सॉन्ग होता है उसको बिहू नाम बोलते हैं, उसको कैसे गाया जा सकता है। जुजना जो होते हैं, जो लंबा करके गाया जिसको जुजना बोलते हैं, उसको कैसे गाया जाता है। फिर गगना कैसे बजाया जाता है, पुतुली कैसे बजाया जाता है। पूरा जो है बिहू का परफेक्टली करेक्ट पोस्चर में करेक्टली कैसे हम सिखा सकते हैं, यही हमारी कोशिश है।
मैं यहाँ पे हमारा असमीज लोग का मेन इंस्ट्रूमेंट ढोल सीखने आया हूँ। जैसे हमारा अभी मेन फेस्टिवल आ रहा है बिहू, रोंगाली बिहू, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे ढोल सीखने आए हैं। ये वर्कशॉप 21 मार्च से स्टार्ट हुआ है और 31 को हमारा प्रोग्राम है, इसलिए बिहू के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे सीखने आए हैं ढोल।